Bridget Murphy is a very active 16-year-old, but 4 years ago, a trampoline accident gave her the scare of her life.
I fell the wrong way and broke both bones in my arm.
My husband and I, we heard the scream. I've never seen a broken bone like that. Her forearm truly went zigzag.
Bridget's parents rushed her to the emergency room and put her arm in a cast.
They felt that because of her age, it would heal correctly.
But it didn't get that much better, and I was kind of disappointed.
Throughout the years, Bridget's forearm bowed as it healed, causing a deformity, not allowing her to get full range of motion in her wrist.
I was in pain writing and typing and driving.
4 years ago, when Bridget broke her forearm, the Murphys wanted to avoid surgery. But now surgeon Xavier Simcock showed them through a 3D model how surgery can fix the deformity.
I offered her to get a CAT scan and create a 3D model so that I could plan the surgery for her to hopefully improve her motion. I can make it perfect from this model by cutting it here first and then lining it up.
The surgery worked on the 3D model and then on Bridget's arm.
We're much faster because we know exactly where we're going to put the bone. We've done all the hard work beforehand.
After surgery, Bridget had to do occupational therapy.
Here we are 2 months later, and she's achieved a normal range of motion in her wrist.
My arm isn't impacting my life anymore.
Making surgery, hands down, the best decision they could have ever made.
Perfect.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.
Let's see the other side.